Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Now we all love recipes with sweet corn. I've made several recipes earlier. I'll give you a couple of links in the description. You can check them out, and today I'm going to share another creamy, cheesy and delicious corn recipe that everybody will absolutely love. So let's get started and check it out. I've taken the kernels of 2 large whole corns. So first I'm going to boil the corn kernels. To a pot of hot water, I'm just going to drop in the corn kernels. You can also use frozen corn if that's easy for you. To this I'm just going to add about a teaspoon of salt. The corn kernels will cook in just about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, the corn is cooked beautifully. Turn off the stove, strain it and keep it aside. To a nice white pan, I'm adding 50 grams of unsalted butter. We're making this really creamy, cheesy corn. So the more rich it is, the tastier it is. If you want to cut down on the butter a little bit, you can do so. Once the butter is melted, I'm adding 7 large garlic cloves that's been finely chopped. Keeping the flame on low, just saute the garlic in butter. This is going to give you a very nice flavor. So those of you who love garlic, are big fans of garlic like me, will absolutely enjoy this quantity of garlic. So once you get that beautiful buttery garlic aroma, next we're going to add the flour. So I've taken 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, that is Maida. So we need to cook the flour. This is going to give you a nice thick sauce. So once you've combined the flour with the butter and garlic, next we're going to add the milk. For this recipe I have taken 2 cups of boiled milk. Gradually pour in the milk, little at a time. So I've added about 500 ml of milk, keeping the flame on low. Just mix it well so the flour is completely dissolved in the milk. As you can see, you get that beautiful creamy sauce. The sauce is nice and creamy. Now I'm going to add all the seasoning it with half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of pepper, about 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning. To give that extra spice, I'm adding 1 small teaspoon of chili flakes. So I've made a recipe on how you can make your own chili flakes at home. I'll share the link in the description, you can check that out. Look at that beautiful sauce. Now the sauce is ready. Let's add the cooked corn kernels. Next I'm adding 1 cup of processed cheese bits. This is a mixture of mozzarella and cheddar. Mix that in gently. You can see the cheese melting along with the corn and the sauce. Extra cheese or sweet corn overload? What is your style? Comment below and let me know. Here's a small tip for you, just in case the mixture becomes very thick. You can always get that creamy texture back by adding a little warm milk to it to get the right consistency. Wow, that looks so creamy and so rich. Look at those beautiful strings. And there you have this beautiful creamy cheesy corn that's ready to be served. Make sure you serve it nice and hot as soon as you make it to enjoy that beautiful creamy cheesy texture. I have some fresh olive bread from the bakery that I purchased today, and I'm going to enjoy this creamy cheesy corn with that bread. You can enjoy this with any other bread of your choice, or you can eat it as is. Wow, creamy, cheesy, irresistible. Drop a heart if you guys agree. Well, I enjoy this. You can tell I was speechless with a mouthful. Well, that was so yummy and simply delicious. Well, you guys must try this recipe. It's a great recipe, very simple to make. I'm sure kids will absolutely love and enjoy this. So give it a try and share it with your family and friends. Check out the product tags below if you'd like to shop the items I use in this video. For the detailed recipe, go to our HomeCookingShow.in website. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.